Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter O. To write uppercase O or big O, start at the top and make a big circle to the left. Let's try it again. Make a big circle to the left. That's the letter O. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase o or small o. Start in the middle and make a small circle to the left. Let's try it again. Make a small circle to the left. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter O. Next, let's see what words start with the letter O. O for owl. O for orange. O for octopus. Say it again with me. Owl, orange, octopus. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter P, please subscribe to EllieFun.